Welcome to Levelfish. We have taken our paraphrase engine and adapted it into a macro for an Excel spreadsheet. To use it, simply access the main sheet of the spreadsheet, follow the instructions indicated in the Notes section of the spreadsheet, use your personal API key by updating the Settings page in your spreadsheet. Your spreadsheet should come with a demonstration API key, which gives you a limitation of up to 12 paraphrases. But to get your extended capabilities, contact sales@levelfish.com. When you receive your new API, simply insert it into the settings page. And now you can update your main sheet with Chatbot intent names, your sentences, and click Run. The macro in background will run the multiple Levelfish paraphrase engines in order to generate up to 9 paraphrases per sentence. Here you can scroll through and have a look at those different paraphrases and copy and paste them as you desire. Levelfish uses a number of paraphrase engines using a range of different technologies in order to create a diverse, original set of paraphrases which will enhance the training for your chatbot or search engine. We welcome any feedback. If you have any questions, please contact sales@levelfish.com. Thank you.